Hello everyone, this is me Ratna Thapa here. I welcome you in my class. Today I'm going to tell you how to find the result as pass or fail. Now let's start our work here by sharing a worksheet. Yes, this is a worksheet here, and today you have to find out total marks, average marks, and you have to find out the result where they are pass or fail. And one thing again I'm going to tell you here, that is you must write your formula with equal to sign. Always start your formula, begin your formula with equal to sign. And you have to use the column name like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and the computer's row number. You see on mouse pointer 1, 2, 3, 4. This is computer's row number, which you have to write when you will write the formula. You don't have to use the cell address of your roll number or the serial number. Just keep in mind always column name and computer's roll number you have to use. Okay, now you see here total marks. How to find the total marks of Bina? She is getting 66 in computer, math in 77, science 78, English 95, and Nepali 66. This you have to add. As you know very well what I'm going to tell you here. What you will use here. You will use here sum function. Why you will use sum function? It is used to find the total of the numeric values. The purpose of sum function is to find the total of the numeric values, and sum or function we use to make the long formula short. We can calculate by using the long method also, but it will be easy for us if we will use the shortcut method, that is function. Okay. Sum, then you have to write down here the cell address of 66. What is the cell address of 66? That is column name C, and row number is 66 colon. What is the cell address of this 66? That is column name G and row number 6. This is 6. So you will do C6 colon G6 and enter. 382 C got. Now you can use fill handle to copy the formula from one to another cell. Yes, by this way you can do. Now average, how to find the average? Which function you will use? Average function we are going to use here. That is average again. Cell address of 66, that is column name C, row number 6, you will do C6 column, and the last cell address, that is G2. Sorry, G6, column name G and row number 6. She is getting here 76.4 average marks. You can drag it. Okay. Now this is more important thing here. You see here how to find the result, whether they are pass or fail. As you know very well that if you will get 40 or more than 40 average marks, then you are pass, either you are fail. So you have to give the condition here by using the if function. You are going to use here if function to find the result. You will do if equals to if bracket, then give the formula of 76.4. This is the average marks. What is the cell address? What is the column of this data? That is I, and column name 6. You see here column name 6 is greater than equal to 40 comma, then pass comma, double quote, fail, double quote, close. Yes, by this way you can give the formula. Yes, she is pass now because she is getting more than 40 average mark. That's why she is pass. Like that also, how to give the formula for the Bina C, Maya, C's pass or fail. You have to find out here. Like Bina is pass, she is getting the 76.4 average marks, more than 40 average marks. That's why she is pass. And Maya, then you have to find out for the Maya's result here. You will do equals to, again, if function, then cell address of 72. That is column name I, and row number is different here. That is 7. I 7 greater than equal to 40, then pass, comma, either fail. Bracket close, enter. She is also pass because she is getting more than 40 average marks. Okay, Misha, you will give formula for her. If function you will use, if, then you will give cell address of 72.8. What should be? Column name is I. You will write I, and column name I and row number is different. That is 8. It should be 8 greater than equal to 40. Then pass, comma, or fail. Bracket close. She is pass because she is getting here more than 40 average marks, so she is pass. Now, Pranju, C is pass or fail, you have to find out. You will do equals to, then if function, then bracket, column name you see here. What is the column of this 37? That is I. Row number will be different, you see. 9, I and 9. Column name is I and row number 9 greater than equal to 40, then comma, double quote, pass, double quote, close, comma, then fill, then bracket close. Yes, she is failed because she is getting less than 40 average marks, so she is failed. Like that also you can use here also, if function, bracket, again, what is the cell address of this 34? That is column name I, and row number will be different here. That is 10. You see here 10. I 10, then greater than equal to 40, then pass, comma, either fail. Then bracket close. Yes, she is failed. Why Seema is failed? Because she is getting less than 40 average marks. That's why she is failed. So by this way, you can find out whether anyone is pass or fail. So in result column, I have given the formula one by one here. But you can use the fill handle also. Here also you can use the fill handle like this. Click here, you can drag it. Yes. And again I am going to tell you, in computer you can use the fill handle to copy the formula, but in copy you have to mention the formula. In copy you have to write formula. In computer you can use the fill handle to copy the formula. So in copy you will draw this table like this. Same, you can see the video also. If you are confused, you can draw the table, all name, roll number, subject you can write. You can change name, no problem for that. You can change the marks also, no problem. And you will draw the table and write down the formula one by one. I need this one in copy because I will not be known that you have written the formula or not. That's why I need to see the formula in copy. Don't forget, You do your work in worksheet. You can give the formula in worksheet, and you can use the fill handle to copy the formula in computer. But in copy, you have to write the formula. You will not write down the answer in copy. You have to write the formula. Don't forget it. Once again, draw this type of table in copy. Write the formula. You don't have to write the answer. You have to write the only formula. Okay. Now tell me bye bye everyone. Thank you for watching this video. Take care and see you soon. You do practice more and more. Bye bye.